Hey, Preacher Dan here. Look at here, what I'm working on again. Mustang. Look at this thing. This right here, I don't know how well you can see it, but this is right there. Moog Problem Solver. Somebody has already replaced the rear sway bar links on this thing. And these things, yeah, well, you know the story. You know, they bump, they creak, they thrash, make a mess. Yes, I've already cut the other sides of this thing off. These are coming out. And I've got plans. Check this out. This is the alternative. Oh yes. Now, just so you're aware, you might notice these are up here. Those are energy suspension. Those things right there are. This down here is a prothane piece. Sort of a universal thing. You can get these a whole lot cheaper than what you can get the kit to replace these two. Now, just so you're aware, I ordered the bushings from Energy Suspension. I've got a 2012 pony package, and according to late model restoration, the 24 millimeter rear sway bar should be what I have. I don't have that. Mine is a V6 pony package, and it does not come with a 24 millimeter rear sway bar. Instead, it comes with a 22 millimeter. So I had to order these from Prothane, 22 millimeter end links. I took a piece of square tubing and I halved it and made a mount on this side, welded it up here on the top side. My welding skills are not the best, but that's what I did. I welded it also up underneath here and then ground it flat to make sure that I got enough meat to hold it really good. And these are greasable. This up here comes with its own grease, and you might be able to tell it's already well greased. I'm fixing to put this one on there after I make one more. What's also interesting is that these exact same Prothane pieces here work on the ends. That's right, they replaced this piece, okay? So if you do an end link like this and then get 4 of these instead of just 2, you're able to do the end links on the inside and the end links on the outside using the same 2 pieces, and they will both be greasable. I like it. I hope that this gives you some sort of an idea, something you can do to maybe save a little bit of money. Until next time I have an opportunity to get out here and mess something up, shalom and God bless.